positions. And that's what's so troubling to me. Now, again, going back to the positive side, Buck, I think we look at what DeSantis did and we say, could he do it nationwide? I think that's a question a lot of people are asking right now as they wake up the day after the midterm.
We'll get into that. There's a reason, no reason to pay Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile over $80 a month for wireless when you get the same service and the same network at Pure Talk for half the price. Yep, I'm talking about text, blazing fast data, and talk for just $30 a month. Those other guys out there are making you pay for thousands of retail stores you don't go to and extras you don't need. You know who Pure Talk wants to keep happy? Customers. That's you. They want to save you money. I switched to Pure Talk because I like supporting a company owned by a United States veteran that shares your values. Okay, after last night, we all want to support companies and actually see the world, see this country the way we do. You can switch in as little as 10 minutes. Just dial pound 250 from your cell phone. Say Clay and Buck. You'll save 50% off your first month. Again, from your cell phone now, dial pound 250. Say Clay and Buck.
As you crunch the numbers trying to get the most out of your dollar, we'll throw in a $1,000 inflation bonus. Much better. Listen every hour from 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. weekdays for your chance to win $1,000.
AM 1150, The Patriot has your chance to win $1,000 an hour.
Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website. Bank. That's bank. Enter it now.
Good luck from AM 1150, The Patriot.
This is a Fox News alert. I'm Chris Foster. We can now project that Senate Republican Ron Johnson will win re-election in Wisconsin. Republicans now need to win 2 of 3 undecided races to win control of the Senate. Arizona, Wisconsin, and Nevada. Right now it's 49 seats to 48. Democrats are on track to lose the House. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has won re-election easily. He now has Hurricane Nicole to deal with today.
The most recent track shows that it will make landfall in Martin County as a Category 1 hurricane.
First on the East Coast, go out to sea, and then come back for another landfall in North Florida is the prediction. Voters in Michigan have enshrined abortion rights in the state constitution. Same in California and Vermont on election night. It's an abortion measure in Kentucky still too close to call. This comes as the Supreme Court, of course, has overturned Roe versus Wade over the summer. This is a Fox News alert.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon having